Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Dr. Majeed. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about the amazing benefits of the vitamin E. If someone is going to select the mini supplement, this make sure that it should be the food based, as the food based vitamin E contain all the complex ingredients rather than the synthetic version. One of the first function of the vitamin E, it has the ability to dissolve the clots, and it also prevents the clotting. Whenever there is deficiency of the vitamin E, there are more chances for the strokes. Vitamin E makes the blood thinner and make its consistency in the normal way. The vitamin E also decrease the need for the oxygen demand in the tissue. Whenever there is a deficiency of the vitamin E in the body, there is increased need, and this go away and increase for the tissue. So the patient suffering from the vitamin E also has the increased chances of the chest pain, heart pain, and the vascular disease, because the need for the oxygen not only for the tissues of the body but also for the heart muscle also increase. If someone is deficient with the vitamin E, there is increased risk of the vascular disease. Vitamin E has the capacity to regrow the vessels when the arteries are clogged, such as the arteries supplying to the heart vessels. There is regrow of the collateral circulation. If the blood supply is clogged and obstructed, the due to vitamin E is able to regrow the new vessel for the circulation to the hearts. When the someone is deficient with vitamin E, the heart muscles are cramps. The overall body muscles are cramps. Vitamin E is essential for the normal health of the heart muscle as well as the muscular health for the body, because this gives the accurate shape and strength to the muscles of the body, especially the skeletal muscles and the heart muscle. Vitamin E enhance the immunity. It has anti-infective properties. It decreases the infection in the body. When someone is deficient with vitamin E, there are more chances and increased risk of the viral disease. Vitamin E has the ability to regrow the skin. It enhance and increase the healing process. It promotes the skin cells and tissue. When applied to the old scar and stretch marks, this lighten and soften the scars previously due to some trauma or due to some surgery. So vitamin E is helpful in brightening of the skin, gives it strength and elasticity and typical glow to the skin. Vitamin E has the anti-gangrene properties. This helps to get rid of the gangrene because it has the capacity for the dilatation of the capillary and expansion of the vessel and increased blood flow to the tissue. Vitamin E has the amazing properties. Vitamin E has the anti-aging effects. Vitamin E has to decrease the wet bedding. When given to the kids, this decreases the wet bedding at the night. Vitamin E is good for the skin and for the hair health because it strengthens the cuticles in the hair follicles. What are the good source for the vitamin E? First of all, the wheat germ oil, which is very easily available over the counters, and this can be applied to the hair as well as to the skin for typical shining and glow and strength to the hairs and the skin, muscles and walls. This vitamins also derived such as the almonds are present. It's a good source for the vitamin E. You can also make the almonds milk. Take a few of the almonds and soak it in the water overnight, and in the morning you may dry it and blend it. With blending, add some of the water and this almond milk is ready. You can enjoy it with the addition of some honey or stevia sugar. Nuts and seeds are also good source of the vitamin E, which should be used unroasted, because when you roast the nuts and seeds, this may destroy the complex of the vitamin E. Almonds used after soaking in the water are very beneficial because the enzyme inhibitor are washed away. previously, and there is good routine for the use of the elements after soaking into the waters. Sunflower are also the good source of the vitamin E and may be consumed regularly basis to meet the daily requirements of the vitamin E. Green leafy vegetables as well as the avocado are the good source of the vitamin E. Thank you very much for